Hey Jennifer.
Hey Will, what's up?
So my thesis deadline is like 2 weeks away and now I'm stuck. Can you help me?
Same here. Hey, I think you should check out IOKE's new feature on their IG.
Huh? What's new?
Just search their new hashtag, stuck with your thesis.
Wait. What?
Stuck with your thesis.
Stuck with your thesis. Okay, I found it. Wow.
Okay,
I think this one will be really helpful for me. Thank you, Jennifer.
you're welcome.
Okay, cut. I think you guys did a great job. Overall, I like the concept.
Me too. I think that's how we develop content marketing. The segments of people will be our target, right?
Good job, guys. Let's start posting our new campaign tomorrow.
Oh, by the way, can someone please help me to finalize some campaign content, please?
I'll help you, Chen. Can you share the file with me?
Huh? What file is it?
Oh, it's me. I will send you the file right away.
Okay, guys. Okay, let's get back to work.
Yo, do you mind telling me shortly what are you doing?
We are doing content marketing, a marketing technique for promotion.
Yeah, have you ever watched those videos? Ads videos like those from Thailand and Philippines? I cried every time I watched those videos.
But how is it different with the regular marketing?
Hey bro, come here. The keyword here is valuable. Have you ever seen these things? I'm not trying to say that these things are bad or something, but it's simply not valuable enough.
Do you realize that we always keep advertising when it provides little to no value to our lives? Well, you won't skip this one.
You actually can tell if a content is valuable or not if people seek it out. They want to consume it instead of avoiding it.
Why is it important to make valuable content marketing?
Well, other than drive sales, it will also build relationship with your future target audiences in order to make them more likely to work with your business instead of other competitors.
So to conclude, content marketing is all about creating and delivering value to a particular audiences. Wait a second. Oh yes, good morning sir. Oh, we're currently on the project. We'll send the draft tomorrow. Oh, okay, I understand. Thank you sir. Okay guys, let's have a final meeting so that we have results to show to our business partners.
So, still doing your content? Are you guys making a short movie?
Actually, we're not only making that. There are several types of content marketing, from blogs to videos, from presentation to social media posts. But note, the way we deliver content marketing is unlike the traditional marketing.
Today, it's way beyond that, especially when digitalization has shifted humans' behavior. It creates another type of content marketing form to become more efficient, interesting, and new.
Oh wow!
Yeah, you should be surprised. In this era, digital technology should be combined with content marketing. As a true marketer, rather than joining a trend, we should make the trend instead.
True. Check out our competitor IKEA. They have been known so well as the king of content marketing. We won't lose to them.
What did they do?
Oh no, I think I need to go to the toilet. Will, tell him.
What? Tell him what?
What IKEA did.
Oh, what IKEA did? I think it's the IKEA catalog, what you meant. So IKEA catalog is, it's not like a catalog because it's like really complex and really good, so it cannot be compared with the other catalog.
Their new feature offers an interactive online version and accompanying app with augmented reality called Place in Your Room that allows the users to virtually try out IKEA furniture in the comfort of their own homes.
But the most important thing is not the application but the timing itself, because they launched their app like around 1 week before iPhone 6 was launched, and at that time when the iPhone 6 was launched, the device fits perfectly with the application that IKEA made. So it's like really good for the time being.
IKEA's content marketing efforts often go way beyond its catalog. With this feature, it will surely appeal in the eyes of the younger generations.
But again, there are more. Do you guys remember about their series called Easy to Assemble? They actually won a lot of awards like this.
Easy to assemble. Is that an app?
Well, their last campaign was a big hit, so they launched it when AR was firstly introduced. So, this is the interface of the app. So, they are helping the buyers to assemble their purchases via online. So, this is kind of like the extension of the Place in Your Room application.
It surely does help. Our job here is to create something that never been invented before, and we create something new. Applying AI on a content marketing, that will be a perfect combination. Mon, can you make me a coffee, please?
Sure, just a moment. So what we showed just now, which is Stuck with Your Thesis, is actually only an introduction of our strategy. And we were inspired by Justin Bieber and Ariana Grande song, which is Stuck With You. And we made it into a twist of our next content marketing.
Thanks, Mon. So that song ranked first on Billboard. That's why right timing and context is very important. We're trying to use the song's popularity to attract more people and to make this campaign more familiar to the audience.
Of course, everyone can experience our new hashtag. Stuck with Your Thesis is just made in order to appeal younger audiences. Everyone still can have access to our new campaign.
So our ultimate goal in the end is to target for those who needs furniture ideas.
Let us introduce you to the new content marketing. IOKE is conversational marketing. Compromising both AI and human, we are trying to maximize the potential of content marketing.
So the new practice that we are currently using is called conversational marketing. So this marketing combines the AI interface with the content because usually the customers, as you know, they trust more humans rather than bots.
So imagine designing your house, but at the same time you can visualize it online with an expert opinion. So according to a survey conducted by a researcher, a human tends to believe more on another living being compared to the opinions from the chatbots.
With this new type of content marketing, it will surely provide new inspirations and insights to our users.
Well, not only insight and inspiration, this will also bring out assurance. As mentioned before, human tends to believe in another human. Therefore, they need someone that they can relate to.
As Jonathan said at the beginning, relevance is important. As a consumer, why would I bother dealing with something that is irrelevant with what I need?
So, would you manage the stuff?
I know you will ask that. You might be wondering on how we managed to have a lot of interior consultants to run our new content marketing. So it means that we train our store clerks for running the marketing with a lot of interior consultants.
Our first phase will be a booking system. The system will have a very strict timely protocol to avoid extended delays.
But remember, this is only the beginning. There are more holes that we can fill yet to come. Imagine using AI to be able to target people who have major interest swings. Some people experience that.
Well, that's really right. Absolutely. That's like me shifting from K-drama to C-drama even before I knew it.
So to conclude, the content marketing will be changing in the future. Imagine maybe something will be greater than artificial intelligence or maybe augmented reality. So in that time, humans' behavior will also change.
Absolutely amazing. Thank you for your time, team.
Thank you too.